Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Michael Jackson, famously known as the Moonwalker for his legendary dance moves, now has a moon crater named after himself, an out-of-the-world tribute to the king of pop. Hi, I'm Reshmi. I post videos about Michael Jackson. If you want to know more information about Michael Jackson, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell icon below so that you don't miss out any of my future videos. Now let's get started. We all know Michael Jackson passed away on June 25th, 2009, and in his honor, on 6th July 2009, the Lunar Society International had announced that a crater on the Earth's moon will be renamed as Michael Joseph Jackson. The crater was previously designated as Posidonius J, and it is located in the Moon's Lake of Dream. Moon's Lake of Dream is a plain situated in the northeastern part of the Moon's near side, or we can simply call the northeastern part of the Moon as Moon's Lake of Dream. Michael's moon crater, Michael Joseph Jackson, is located in the northeastern part of the Moon, that is, in the Moon's Lake of Dream. Well, before going further, we have an additional information. Michael also owned a 1,200-acre parcel in the Moon's Lake of Dream, according to the Lunar Republic Society. He was the largest private owners of the lunar property. Well, this feeling just gives me goosebumps. It's quite tangling. He was the greatest. Even you all can buy land on moon. Nothing is impossible, of course. Now let's go in detail. Michael's moon crater, Michael Joseph Jackson, measures approximately 22 kilometers, about 13.5 miles in diameter, and it is located adjacent to the 1,200-acre parcel owned by Michael Jackson in the Lake of Dreams. The decision to designate the moon crater in Michael's honor came following a special session of the Lunar Society Governing Board. The designation proposal was widely suggested by fans and fellow landowners following Michael's death. In addition to his significant property in the Lake of Dreams, which he obtained in 2005, Michael also owns a smaller property in the Sea of Vapors. The crater was officially designated as Michael Joseph Jackson in order to differentiate it from an existing crater called Jackson. Yes, there's already a 71-kilometer crater on the lunar far side of the moon called as Jackson, renowned for the Scottish astronomer John Jackson. Coincidentally, John Jackson passed the same year Michael Jackson was born. So in order to differentiate John Jackson's crater, Michael's crater was officially designated as Michael Joseph Jackson. Often in his life, Michael incorporated the moon and its symbology. From his trademark dance move Moonwalk to the official seal of his beloved Neverland Ranch, Moonwalker was also the title of a popular compilation of his greatest music video performances and the title of his most famous and best-selling 1988 autobiographical book was also called Moonwalk. Michael recorded a song called Scared of the Moon, which has not been released commercially as of this date. So for most part of his life, Michael used moon as a symbol in his life. Once Michael claimed that he had witnessed a UFO during a plane flight. UFO is an unidentified flying object often seen in the sky, which is thought to be a spacecraft from another planet. Michael's interest in outer space, extraterrestrials, and his plan to actually perform the moonwalk dance move on the moon is detailed in Michael C. Luckman's Alien Rock, the Rock and Roll Extraterrestrial Connection book, which is published by Pocket Books and VHS, and they have devoted an entire chapter related to Michael Jackson. Michael's moon crater, Michael Joseph Jackson, is a part of a Posidonius crater group named for Posidonius of Apamea, a Greek Stoic philosopher, politician, astronomer, and a teacher native to Apamea, Syria. Michael Joseph Jackson crater is the largest of the so-called satellite craters in the group, which numbers 12 in total, ranging in size from 2 to 15 km in diameters. Under the naming system of Felix Lamla-Kemak, Posidonius J was also known as Helen. The decision to honor Michael Jackson became effective immediately. Michael Joseph Jackson crater, Posidonius, and other Posidonius group craters can be generally viewed from the Earth using a typical home telescope under standard observational conditions. Even we can observe Michael's moon crater, Michael Joseph Jackson, from a home using a typical home telescope. The Lunar Society International is the world's largest and most prominent group advocating privatized exploration, settlement, and development of Earth's moon. The centerpiece of the society's effort is a 10-year United States $3.8 million program to return humans to the moon and establish permanent bases there. The society has also developed the most successful commercially available lunar photo map software ever released to the public, the Full Moon Atlas. It was also a prime mover behind the proposal to designate a group of craters as a memorial to the 7 crew members who perished in 2003 Space Shuttle Columbia tragedy. The Lunar Society International is a registered international business company currently authorized to organize in more than 200 nations around the world. It includes United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Italy, Japan, China, India, as well as other nations of Europe, Asia, and America. The official designation of a lunar crater is a singular honor bestowed upon only a few selected luminaries. Among those receiving this rare tribute over the past century were Leonardo da Vinci, Christopher Columbus, Sir Isaac Newton, Julius Caesar, followed by Michael Jackson. So this is absolutely an out-of-the-world honor to Michael Jackson to have a moon crater honored in his name. Only few scientists are able to achieve this honor. This itself speaks about the greatness of Michael Jackson. Having a 1,200-acre property on the moon and actually having a moon crater named in his honor. He was the greatest. He was beyond words, once in a lifetime. So we're gonna end here, friends. Hope you all enjoyed my content. See you all next time with another interesting topic about Michael Jackson. Until then, take care. Goodbye. Thank you.